This one's gonna be on full text RSS. If you're an RSS reader, you want this thing and you need this thing. All right, so this is a full text RSS container here, and what it does is that, usually nowadays when you subscribe to a RSS feed, they give you like the title and maybe like a paragraph of what is it about, but they don't actually give you the full article, right? So this is the full article, and it's annoying when you're using this in a RSS reader. You have to bust out your web browser every time you need to read it. Really annoying, especially if you're using it in a terminal RSS reader like Newsboat and stuff like that. Really annoying to bust out a web browser, right? So what this one does is that it will actually extract all the stuff and generate a custom RSS feed to do all that ripping, and you have the full article. So show you how it looks like here. So I'm going to copy the URL of the RSS link, and basically in here, this container, all you gotta do is paste in the RSS feed, and for this one we'll just do 7 or something like that, just to make it short, and then we'll create a feed, right? Real simple. And you can see now whenever a new RSS is posted, or a new article is posted, and you have the full article because it rips out all the other junk. And here on top, this is your custom RSS feed for that hacker news here, right? So all you gotta do now is go into your RSS reader. So you can use a GUI one, a web UI one, or even a terminal one like Newsboat, and this link will be your custom RSS feed for that site. So in here, we're gonna add it to our testing just to see how it looks like. So basically, you just paste in that address here, and this is pulling from my server, right, local server, and we'll add it. So this is the Hacker News. We'll add one, done, and you know what? We'll add another one here. We're gonna do the LA Times, right? In here, again, same thing. They only give you the title and maybe one sentence of it, instead of giving you like the full articles. So we'll copy that and we'll go back into our full text RSS here, and we're just gonna paste in the URL, and we'll do 7 just to make it short. Create a feed, and now you see, look at that, it rips it out. So we're just gonna copy the URL up top here, and we'll add it to our subscription again. We'll add this one, add another one. That's it. We'll paste it in, add, and now we have the LA Times here. Submit, and that's it, right? So now when we go back to our main fresh RSS here, we have our testing. So we have 2 of these suckers here, right? And basically this is what it looks like when you have the full article. So look at this, full articles, right? And what's the other one? Hacker News down here. Look at that, full article. Amazing. I wish I'd known this like when I was using like just pure Newsboat. I don't have to like open the the web browser to look at some of these stuff. That would have been amazing, but better late than never. Now we can actually use this. Real simple to set this up. This one is a container. So we're gonna do the Podman. If you don't know how to use Podman, just watch my video on Podman. But real simple in this one, we'll do a Podman run command. We give it a name and the port that you want to use, right? And we'll pull it from this Docker IO place here. Now, if you're using systemd on the Ubuntu's, this is how you would generate a systemd services that will automatically start the service when you boot up your computer, right? Anyways, if you want to get more details on how to use Podman, just watch my video on Podman, and I explained most of these already, right? Anyways, we don't mean to actually make a volume or anything. We just have to assign a port and that's it, right? That's it for that. So how it looks like when we're using this in Newsboat here. So I'll show you here. I already did this in here, but look at this. This Hacker News. All right, look at that. We have the full article. Amazing. Oh my goodness. If I wish I'd known this back when I was using just pure Newsboat. But nowadays I use fresh RSS and then I pull the article into Newsboat if I'm reading from the terminal. Anyways, I explained that in my fresh RSS video, but that's how you do it in here, right? Look at that. We have, most of these are just like plain text here for like there's no images, but you get the idea. We have like the full articles, right? And you can read it from here without opening a web browser. Amazing, right? Anyways, that's how you would set it up using Podman as your container. And if you don't know, now you know. And I'm gonna recommend this real hard, right? Because I mean, I'm tired of like all these RSS feed that just gives you like the title only, and you have to open the web page and you look at all their ads and it's infested. But with this, it's a miracle. It saves RSS. Anyways, if you've never used RSS before, go check it out and see what you're missing. That'll be it for this one.